10 Tips of Financial Planning. Welcome to my channel. Tips of financial planning include setting clear financial goals, creating a budget, building an emergency fund, reducing debt, saving and investing regularly, diversifying investments, reviewing insurance coverage, consulting a financial advisor, and staying adaptable to changing circumstances. Monitoring financial health, exploring new sales channels, enhancing customer experience, investing in technology, developing your team, focusing on quality, and forming strategic partnerships are also essential elements to consider. Effective financial planning empowers individuals and businesses to make informed decisions, achieve financial security, and work towards long-term financial success. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So let's start. Number 10. Review and adjust. Reviewing and adjusting your financial plan is a crucial tip for successful financial planning. Regularly assess your progress towards your goals and make necessary adjustments based on changing circumstances, financial priorities, and life events. Reevaluate your budget, investment strategies, and insurance coverage periodically to ensure they align with your current needs and future aspirations. Stay informed about market trends and economic conditions to optimize your investment decisions. Life is dynamic, and your financial plan should be flexible enough to adapt to new opportunities and challenges. By consistently reviewing and adjusting your financial plan, you can stay on course, make informed decisions, and achieve long-term financial security and success. Number 9. Consult a financial advisor. Consulting a financial advisor is a valuable tip for effective financial planning. A professional advisor can provide expert guidance and personalized strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. They assess your current financial situation, identify areas for improvement, and develop a comprehensive plan tailored to your needs and risk tolerance. A financial advisor can offer insights on investment options, retirement planning, tax strategies, and estate planning. Their expertise can help you navigate complex financial decisions and optimize your financial resources. With a financial advisor's support, you can make informed choices, stay disciplined in your financial journey, and confidently work towards a secure and prosperous financial future. Number 8. Plan for retirement. Planning for retirement is a critical component of financial planning. Start early and contribute regularly to retirement accounts such as 401(k), Onyx, IRAs, or pension plans to take advantage of compound growth. Determine your retirement income needs and set realistic goals. Assess your risk tolerance and choose appropriate investment options for long-term growth. Continuously review and adjust your retirement plan as your circumstances change. Consider diversifying your retirement savings across various asset classes for a balanced portfolio. Maximize any employer-sponsored retirement benefits and take advantage of tax-efficient retirement savings strategies. Planning for retirement early ensures you have enough financial resources to maintain a comfortable lifestyle and achieve your retirement dreams. Seek advice from a financial advisor to create a comprehensive retirement plan tailored to your unique needs. Number 7. Review insurance coverage. Regularly reviewing insurance coverage is a crucial tip for comprehensive financial planning. Assess your insurance needs periodically to ensure they align with your current life stage and financial situation. Evaluate health, life, disability, home, and auto insurance policies to determine if they provide adequate protection for you and your family. Update beneficiary information and consider additional coverage for major life events like marriage, parenthood, or home purchases. Shop around to compare policies and premiums, ensuring you get the best value for your coverage. Reviewing insurance coverage allows you to mitigate financial risks and protect your assets, providing peace of mind and financial security for the future. Number 6. Diversify investments. Diversifying investments is a crucial tip for successful financial planning. Spreading your investments across various asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and commodities, helps reduce overall risk. Different asset classes perform differently under different market conditions, so diversification ensures that you are not overly reliant on the performance of a single investment. It can enhance returns and protect your portfolio from severe losses during market downturns. Additionally, consider diversifying within each asset class, for example, investing in a mix of large-cap and small-cap stocks. Regularly review and rebalance your portfolio to maintain the desired asset allocation. Working with a financial advisor can help you design a well-diversified investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Number 5. Save and invest regularly. Saving and investing regularly is a fundamental tip for effective financial planning. Start early and commit to a consistent savings plan, directing a portion of your income towards savings and investments each month. Create an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and preserve your long-term investments. Explore various investment options, such as retirement accounts, mutual funds, stocks, and bonds, to achieve your financial goals. Set up automatic contributions to ensure disciplined savings and take advantage of dollar-cost averaging. Reinvest dividends and returns to compound your wealth over time. Regular saving and investing cultivate financial discipline, help you reach your goals faster, and build a secure financial future. Consult with a financial advisor to create a tailored savings and investment strategy that suits your needs and aspirations. Number 4. Reduce debt. Reducing debt is a crucial tip for effective financial planning. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts first, such as credit cards and personal loans, to save on interest costs. Create a debt repayment plan, setting specific targets and allocating extra funds towards debt reduction. Consider consolidating debts into a lower interest loan for easier management. Avoid accumulating new debts and focus on living within your means. Negotiate with creditors for lower interest rates or payment plans if needed. Reduce discretionary spending and allocate more towards debt payments. Over time, reducing debt improves your financial health, increases disposable income, and frees up funds for saving and investing, ultimately leading to a more secure financial future. Number 3. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is a crucial tip for sound financial planning. Save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. An emergency fund acts as a safety net during unforeseen events like job loss, medical emergencies, or unexpected repairs. Start by setting aside a portion of your income each month and gradually build up the fund over time. Avoid using the emergency fund for non-essential expenses. Having a robust emergency fund provides peace of mind, reduces financial stress, and helps you avoid going into debt during challenging times. It is a key step towards achieving financial security and stability. Number 2. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a fundamental tip for effective financial planning. Assess your income and expenses to set realistic financial goals and track your spending. Allocate funds to essential categories such as housing, utilities, food, and transportation, while leaving room for savings and investments. Monitor your budget regularly and identify areas where you can cut back on non-essential expenses. Consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to stay organized and keep yourself accountable. A well-structured budget helps you prioritize your financial goals, avoid overspending, and achieve financial discipline. It provides a clear roadmap for managing your money effectively, allowing you to save for the future and make informed financial decisions. Number 1. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is a crucial tip for effective financial planning. Define specific and measurable objectives for short-term, medium-term, and long-term timeframes. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debts, funding education, or building a retirement nest egg, clear financial goals provide direction and motivation. Break down larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones to track progress. Prioritize goals based on importance and urgency. Review and adjust goals as circumstances change or new opportunities arise. Setting clear financial goals empowers you to make purposeful decisions, aligns your spending and saving behaviors, and helps you stay focused on building a secure and prosperous financial future. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.